Hello, welcome to our class tutorial in Python programming. In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at functions. A function is a block of code that only runs when it is called. And in Python, it is defined by the def keyword. So let us look at how a basic function looks like. I'll start with the def keyword, then after the function name, I'll say my first function. Then after you terminate it with a full colon, then indent and type in whatever code that you want to be run when the function is called upon. So I'll say print my function works. So I'll move out of the function. Then remember, it only runs when it is called, so I have to call it that my function. So let's save and see. On the right side where our results are, in the command line, cannot open Python class. Okay, just add your extension. Yes, so it says my function works. So that is how this function looks like in Python. We've seen the keyword, function name, then terminating, you indent the code that is inside the function, and then the last thing, if you want that code to run, you call upon the function. So let us see how to pass data in a function using parameters and arguments. So I will say def function name show name, and I'll say here I want you to pass here the parameter. Parameter can be any word. For this case, I will say parameter name. Then I'll terminate using the full colon. Then indent, I'll say print hello. So I want to add on this parameter that has been passed, and I say hello, the name. So I'll concatenate this string with a parameter passed here. So use this concatenation symbol, not the add sign, but the concatenation symbol. Then I'll say parameter name. So it will say hello and then the name. So I'll come here and say I call upon a function and then pass the parameter name. So I can pass the string name and just say BBC. So when I save, it will come and pass this BBC in the parameter. So BBC in this case is an argument that is being passed in the parameter name. Then it will say, we are expecting it to say hello BBC. So let us save and see our results here. .py. So it is saying hello BBC. So that is how we pass data in a Python function using parameters and arguments. Thank you so much. In our next tutorial, we shall be looking at a complex function, how to pass different multiple data, or how to use different